What a mess. I'm driving through Richmond, Virginia. I'm just on the south side now. It's a little bit above freezing, and look at all this stuff in the middle lane. At first I thought maybe somebody spilled something by accident. Now I'm thinking it's all these road chemicals. It's going to turn my vehicle totally white, and they're just dumping them. They're totally dumping them in the center lane. I guess so they're hoping it spreads across the road. I've never seen it done like this before. I've seen them pre-treat roads, but like with little streams, you know, here and there, so they don't waste some of the chemicals, but they're all over the place. They're gonna get all over my car. What a mess. Have you guys ever seen something like this before? Let me know in the comments. But you can see my windshield. I don't even want to bother cleaning it now because it's so dirty already. Oh boy, what is this gonna look like when I get out of the car? Like you can see it coming off the wheels of that car right there. It's just flying off of there. Oh man. Anyway, my car is going to be a mess, that's for sure. Looks like they just opened up the valve on their truck or something and just went crazy. Everybody's cars are going to be a mess. It's just totally inefficient. There's this big bridge that crosses over the James River, if you're familiar with where I am, just south of Richmond. Ah, what a mess. Oh, that's a truck right up there. I just happened to get right behind the truck. Somehow I gotta pass this guy. That's what I need to do. Looks like I'm gonna pass this guy. I'm probably gonna get showered with these chemicals. Ah, no wonder they weren't drying. I was like right behind them. Couldn't have been in a worse spot. Yeah, is this it? Whoa, yeah, look at this dumping all the chemicals out. Wow. Oh my gosh. What a mess. Let me get over to the side here. Yeah, goodbye AutoPilot. Look at that. What a mess. You ever seen that? Pre-storm treatment. What a mess. Oh man, my car's gonna be a mess. Let's try to clean some of this off now. We'll see what the car looks like when I get out, but it's going to be black and white probably at this point. Man. Alright, let's see what the car looks like. Not that bad, actually. And there's a little bit of... Oh gosh. Yeah, it's all white in front. All white. Look at that. I got it good. It's like gray almost. I sure hope it rains soon.